guys, welcome back to our channel. We really appreciate for watching all our videos this while. But what kind of dishes you like the most? Do comment down below. And if you like our videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember to hit the bell icon for the notification of our latest videos. But today, we are cooking fried chili prawns. The ingredients are dry chili, small chili, garlic, ginger, onion, carrot, and a little bit of soy sauce. But first we need to cut the carrot into slices. Then we need to clean the prawns, cut the legs, and devein the prawns. Devein means to remove the main central vein from a shrimp or a prawn. Yes, that means that. If you go and type it in Google, it's the same. So now we have it all done. Okay, we're all done with that, but now we need to put some oil in the cooking oil. Now we heat up the wok and then we put in some of the cooking oil inside the wok. Yeah. So then we fry the... What's taking me so slow? Now we fry the... Now, we need to mix the oil a little bit and then put our hand to test it. Is it hot enough? Then now we need to add in the onion because we're going to fry the onion right now. Then we'll put all the ingredients inside in one go. And then we need to mix them together. We fry them together. And mix them together. While frying, we mix them all together. Those ingredients are kind of little now. Okay, we're gonna wait until we add in the carrots. Okay, here we go. We're adding the carrots in and mixing it all up again. We will put the prawns in again. This dish looks delicious, guys. And now we add in the prawns and we're going to stir it until the prawns become red. Of course we need to stir them. Everything needs to stir. The prawns become red. Then we add some water. And let's add some water. Whoa, the prawns are starting to get red already. Now we add in some soy sauce. Yeah, that's kind of hot, but we need to put down the lid, we close the lid, and steam your prawns for a few seconds. Yeah, we close the lid and steam the prawns for a few seconds though. Okay, now we open up the lid and add in some fishy sauce. Yeah, fish sauce. And some salt. You guys guessed it right, it's salt. So we need to stir them real well, and it's almost done. But it's done now. But we have to add in the veggies first. But that's the onion, okay? But can you smell it from your screen? If you can, write yes in the comments. And I can't wait to take dinner for prawns. Anyways, thanks for watching. And I forgot to mention something. Guys, what's your favorite food? You guys may say it in the comment and we're gonna cook it one day. And you guys can watch it. But anyways, we're going to end this video here. So bye guys. But anyways, here's the final result, and guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please share and subscribe to our channel. Comment anything below in the comment section down below, and let's eat it. And bye. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.